Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you a fashion designer or just a hobbyist at home who wants to generate outfits or dresses with just text prompt using AI models? If that is the case, then you are at the right video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate any dress from your imagination with just a natural language text prompt for free, easily, quickly, and all local. For that, we will be using this new model which is FLUX.1-dev Outfit Generator. This outfit generator model is primarily a LoRa or low rank adaptation, which is a smaller model that has been fine-tuned on the celebrated FLUX.1-dev model. If you don't know what this FLUX.1-dev model is, then please go to my channel and just search with FLUX.1 and you will find plenty of videos. I believe this is one of the best models out there when it comes to text to image generation. We already have covered it from various angles, the actual Flux model in various variants plus lot of LoRa's. So what happens is that Flux.1 dev model is a generic model which you can use to generate images from text, but then people have fine-tuned this Flux.1.dev model as per their own use case. For example, Tyron Labs has fine-tuned it to generate outputs. That's it. Then I did another video where I showed you how you can generate the architectural images just with that LoRa. And then there are various low rank adaptation or LoRa models which are present, which you can find them on Hugging Face or Civitai and various other websites which only deal with one use case. So for this, we are going to use this FLUX.1-dev Outfit Generator. We will be installing it locally and then we will play around with it. Before I do that, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let's go and try to get this thing installed. The tool which I am going to use for this video is called as ComfyUI. Again, if you don't know what ComfyUI is, please go to my channel and search with ComfyUI and you will see heaps of videos. If you are just looking for installation, then I would highly suggest you watch this video which says easiest tutorial on ComfyUI, and you should be up and running in no time. So you can see that I already have ComfyUI installed. Now the way ComfyUI works is on the basis of workflows. Workflow looks something like this. Let me load it from my local system and then I will give you a very quick overview of what exactly that means. So this is a workflow and this is a typical FLUX.1-dev LoRa workflow which you will find online, or if you don't have it, let me know. I will put it somewhere and give you the link. And don't worry, I'm going to explain it in very simple words what is happening here, but for detail again go to my ComfyUI video and watch that, where I have told you from very beginning as what exactly these nodes are, what is this, for example, case sampler, scheduler and sampler and all that stuff. But what this workflow is doing, it is taking the models and then it is generating the outfit by just this text prompt. Now first step we need to do is to download all the models. So these outfit generator is a LoRa. So not only we need to download this, but also the base model. So what happens is that creator of these models have taken their base model, which is FLUX.1-dev, and fine-tuned this. So we need all of these. So first step, let's download this FLUX.1.dev outfit generator. It is on Hugging Face and I will drop the link in video's description. This is the model card. Click on files and make sure you are logged in. It's a free account which you can create, and then scroll down. You should see this file which is called as outfit-generator.save tensors. Click on it. Very small file, 172 meg, and then scroll down, right click on download, save link as, and then go to wherever you have installed your ComfyUI models, LoRa's, and then save it here. I already have it, as you can see. Then we also need to download the whole FLUX.1-dev model. So go to its page on Hugging Face, and then from there click on Files. Now scroll down. I'm not going to go much into detail, but because I already have shared it in my other video, FLUX.1.dev, which I showed you at the start of the video. Anyway, so this is a FLUX.1-dev model. Click on it, and then right click, save link as, again ComfyUI models in the unet directory, and save it. It is a big file, around 23.8 gig, so make sure you have that much space. Now this is not the only file we need. We also need the VAE, which is a variational autoencoder. So click on ae.save tensors, and then right click on download, save link as ComfyUI models, and then there should be a VAE directory. Just save it here. And then we need two clip models. So go up, there should be this text encoder. Just save this one, and then there should be a text encoder too, which you should be saving. And these are the ones, and they are also present in various other videos which you can check out, and you would be putting them in the clip folder. So these are all the models which you need, which I already have downloaded. Okay, let's go back here. Once you have downloaded them, just click on refresh here, and they will appear here. So first, make sure that in this load diffusion model we have this FLUX.1-dev. This is the one we have downloaded. Then we have these two clip which I showed you. I already have downloaded them. And then we have this VAE at towards end. So we have loaded all of our models, variational autoencoder, clip, and our actual model. Now what happens is that this model, load diffusion model, is our actual Flux model. Clip models convert your text prompt, this one, into a format which is understandable by the models. And this ae.save tensor, or VAE, or variational autoencoder, is a special type of model which converts images from latent space to pixel space. Again, if you don't know what that is, go to my channel and then just type latent, and I have done this, what is latent space. Very simple to understand video, and you will really enjoy it, so watch it out. And I can't, because these are big topics, so I can't explain all of them here, otherwise the video will become very long. Anyway, but now you know where to find out these values. So this is VE, and then we have case sampler, which is composed of scheduler, and then also what is the latent image and all that stuff. So case sampler is actually the engine which generates the image from the text, and we have sampler and scheduler. So for sampler I am going with Euler Ancestral. There are a lot of others. So for this one I have tried out all of these, and then I have settled on to Euler's Ancestral because this was giving me the good results. And for scheduler I am going with the simple one. SGM uniform was also good, but simple is better, so I'm going with this one. Steps I always keep 30. These are the number of steps it is going to denoise the image. And then normally flux models are this resolution, so I'm just going to go with 1024. And then these are, I'm joining all of these, and then we are just guiding it. Let's keep all, and this is the LoRa, this is the output generator. So once you click, it will show it here from the VE directory, and let's keep everything else as is. And now this is a text prompt which I'm giving, that address with color. Now the thing with LoRa is that all of these LoRa's have trigger word. So for example, we have set it address with color. So whenever this text will be encountered, this LoRa will trigger. So it means that instead of generating a general image, the Flux model will follow the LoRa and it will generate the dress. So we are telling it multicolored, department is dresses, detail is split, fabric elasticity, high stretch, fitted, hemline, slate material, and you can see that it is all very technical information about dresses. So let's click on Q prompt to see what happens. So you see it is running at the moment. I will let it run and I will wait for it to generate it. I'm just going to move it here. and I will also show you the VRAM consumption. Let first for the first example, let's see how long does it take. It's almost there, so it shouldn't take too long from now. There you go. How about that? Looks really cool, isn't it? So it has just generated that dress for you. Now let's give it another example. Now in the next example, I'm asking it a dress with color red, department dresses, detail belted, fabric elasticity and all that stuff. So I've changed the color to red and then few other patterns, floral and all that stuff. So let me run it. While it runs, let's see the VRAM consumption. There you go. So just around 29 gig of VRAM you require for this. So make sure you have that much. Okay, so it's almost there. Let's wait. And there you go, we have our floral dress. How good this looks. Let me generate another one. This time I'm saying zipper, fabric elasticity, no stretch, spaghetti straps, again floral, color is brown. Let's generate it. And also I would really want to thank Massed Compute for sponsoring this VM and GPU. This won't be possible without their support. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in videos description. Plus I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so let it generate this one and then we will, there you go, how beautiful that is. Now let's try to generate some diverse outfits, like some from India, from different cultures. Let's try to do that. In the next example, I'm asking it an Indian dress or Pakistani dress, which is lehenga with color. This is a wedding dress. Some emerald green, department traditional wear, flowy deep pattern, short sleeves, heavy dupatta, which is a sash with gold border. Occasion is wedding. Let's wait for it. How good is that? This is simply amazing. And I wasn't expecting a human in it, but this is what lehenga is. And how pretty that is. Okay, let's try out a few more. Now in the next example, I'm asking it to do Korean hanbok dress with color, soft lavender, traditional ceremony, golden buttons, ribbon tie, long sleeves, silk neckline. Let's check it out. Delicate floral, by the way. And hopefully it will be a censored one. So yeah, how good is that? Looks amazing. Very nice. And in this next one, a traditional Moroccan kaftan with color, vibrant turquoise, velvet neckline. It's again wedding celebrations, accent heavy sequins and tassels. Oh wow, how good is that? And by the way, if you are from these part of the world, please also confirm what do you think. Is it aligned with your culture or not? I would be highly keen to know that. Looks good to me. Next up, let's try out this African one. So I'm asking it to do a traditional African dashiki with color. And again, colorful tassel, cultural neckline. Looks good. Okay, let's wait. And there you go. Looks really good to me. I have also Googled it. And I think this has just nailed it. Simply nailed it. Next one, I'm asking it to do a traditional Greek peplos with color soft azure blue and ancient wear. And then accent is gold fibula brooch. So let's wait for it. And there you go, simple yet very elegant. Well, look at this brooch here, really good stuff. Okay, next one, I am asking it to do a Chinese cheongsam with color, accent side slits and sophisticated subtle dragon. Should be interesting. And look at this, how beautiful and really elegant this one is. Really beautiful. Okay, in the next one, I'm asking you to do a traditional Emirati abaya. I believe this is from United Arab Emirates. Luxurious black, department formal wear, detail, intricate gold embroidery, and then special occasion, open front, accent heavy sequins. Let's see what it generates. And I think it nailed it. Looks beautiful to me. Really amazing. Okay, so let's try another one. I'm just going to paste it here. Sorry, it's just stuck. Okay, now I'm asking it to do a traditional Scottish Highland kilt outfit with color deep navy blue, department formal wear, detailed tartan, and then formal highland events. Let's see. And look at this one, really looks beautiful. Okay, next one, a traditional Brazilian carnival samba costume with color, vibrant yellow and green, occasion carnival parade, samba dancer, dazzling, tropical floral. Let's see what it generates. And there you go, looks really cool. I think it has perfectly depicted the occasion. Okay, next up, I'm just asking it to do a traditional Pakistani kurta pajama with color, soft ivory, and then everyday and casual wear. Sleeve length, let's try it out. And there you go. I think this is perfectly fine. No problems there. And then finally, let's do it from my homeland. A traditional Australian bushman's, a Kubra outfit with color, earthy brown, department outdoor wear, detail, leather trim, embroidery, leather belts and boots, occasion rural and outdoor events. We don't see this in Sydney more often, but I think this is in the outback of Australia, which is magnificent. So let's see what it generates here. I think almost there. Wow, looks really cool. Really, really good. Yep. So that's it, guys. I could go on and on and on. You know, the world is huge, the world is vibrant and diverse and beautiful. But you see that this is simply amazing LoRa, I would say. And just think about it, if you are a fashion designer or if you are into some sort of dress designing, this could be a game changer. So you use it to your advantage. Don't get scared by it. It's not going to take away jobs. It's still your imagination. It is still your innovation which matters. So try it out. Use it to your advantage. Just consider it as a tool in your repertoire. I hope that this was useful. If you like the content, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please promise me that you are going to share it among your network on social media, wherever you like. I will be highly, highly indebted. Thanks a lot for watching.